today we are going to learn about converting between metric masses. What is mass? Mass is a type of measurement which tells us how heavy something is. What is metric unit of mass? To measure mass, there are three metric units: grams, kilograms and tons. First of all, we will be learning about gram. Gram is the smallest metric unit of mass. Its abbreviation is small g. 1000 grams are equals to 1 kilogram. A small paper clip weighs around 1 gram. The next metric unit of mass is kilogram. Kilogram is the second largest metric unit of mass. Its abbreviation is small kg. 1 kilogram is same as 1000 grams. A kilogram is about the mass of a liter bottle of water. Now we are going to talk about ton. Ton is the largest metric unit of mass. 1 ton is equals to 1000 kilograms. A small car weighs about a ton. Now let's learn about conversion between different metric units of mass. So we have three units here: grams, kilograms and tons. To change grams to kilograms, we divide by 1000, and to change kilograms to grams, we times by 1000. In the same way, to change kilograms to ton, we divide by 1000. To change tons to kilograms, we times by 1000. So here we have an example. Henry bought 1 kilogram of apple. How much does it make in grams? So we know that 1 kilogram is same as 1000 grams. Here is the second example. Noah bought a car weighing 2 tons. How much is the weight in kilogram? 1 ton is equals to 1000 kilograms. So 2 tons means 2 times 1000, which is 2000 kilograms. So the weight of the car is 2000 kilograms. Now you have 10 seconds to solve this question. 5000 grams are same as how many kilograms? So 5000 grams are same as 5 kilograms.